and accept it that soon you'll be drenched to your bone. If your time to you is worth saving, you better start swimming or you will sink like a stone, for the times they are changing. Come writers and critics who prophesy with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. But don't speak too soon, for the whale's still in Spain, and there is no telling who that it's naming. For the loser now will be later to win, for the times they are changing. Come senators, representatives, please heed the call, and don't stand in the doorway, don't block up the hall, for he who gets hot will be he who has stalled. The battle outside raging will soon shake your windows and rattle your walls, for the times they are changing. Come mothers and fathers throughout the land, and don't criticize what you can't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command. Your old road is rapidly aging. You better get out of the new one if you can lend a hand, for the times they are changing. The line it is drawn, the course it is cast, and the slow one now will later be fast, as the present now will later be past. The order is rapidly fading, as the first one now will later be last, for the times they are